In this tutorial, we are going to design flat metaballs in Adobe Illustrator. To get started, first, activate the Ellipse Tool. Then, in the Control Panel, set the stroke to None and choose any color you'd like for your metaballs design. Now, click on the artboard to open the Ellipse dialog box and set the width to 180 pixels and the height to 180 pixels. I will show you two different methods for duplicating individual circles after the Metaballs design has been formed. But before we do that, let's duplicate this circle first. Right-click on the circle shape, select Transform, Move, set the distance to 275 and the angle to 50. Tick the Preview checkbox to see the changes and click Copy. Next, using the Move tool, select both circles. Right-click and choose Make Compound Path. With both circles still selected, go to Effects, Path, Offset Path. Set the offset to 80, joins to round, and the miter limit to 4, then click OK. Now go back to Effects, select Path, Offset Path, apply New Effect, set the offset to -80, joins to round, and the miter limit to 4, then click OK. To duplicate any circle within the compound path, activate the Direct Selection tool. Click any empty space on the artboard, hover your cursor over the circle you want to duplicate until the anchor point appears, hold the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac, then position the cursor over the anchor point, the small X-shaped icon in the middle of the circle shape, and drag it to wherever you want to place the duplicate. To resize the duplicate, click the middle anchor point using the Direct Selection tool, activate the Move tool, and drag the size handle. That's the first method. If you want to duplicate the circle multiple times and position the duplicates consistently in specific areas, click the anchor point using the Direct Selection tool, then right-click, Transform, Move. Set the angle according to your requirements. In this example, I'll set it to -50, the opposite of the first duplication angle, and keep the distance at 275. Tick the Preview checkbox to preview the placement of the duplicate and click Copy. Duplicate the last circle using the same transform values as the first duplicate. Then, once again, duplicate the last circle using the same transform values as the second duplicate for consistent placement. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.